I was just at the Carlisle Fairgrounds and found these classic cars for under 10 grand, and they're all drivable. So let's go check them out. Starting with the car you don't see every day, even at car shows. It's a 1965 Rambler Marlin. The asking price is $9,500. This car is 41,000 miles and is all original. Marlins only had a 3-year run, 65, 66, and 67. It has its original red interior with bucket seats and a column shifter. It's an automatic car. Under the hood is a 232 cubic inch 6-cylinder. In 65, they only sold about 10,000 Marlins, and only 2,000 of them came with the 6-cylinder. The owner found this car in a barn and cleaned out the gas tank and rebuilt the carburetor. The next car is a 1973 Dodge Charger SE. The asking price is $7,500. It appears to be all original. The SE came with the louvered side glass and what they called the formal vinyl roof. The SE also came with extra trim, moldings, and a thin painted stripe down the side. The interior has a bench seat with a column shifter and the optional tough steering wheel. They came standard with the 318 engine, which is probably under the hood. If you enjoy classic car videos, hit the subscribe button below and be notified of my future videos. Here we have a 1963 Ford Econoline pickup. These always remind me of a Hot Wheels car. It has received a repaint sometime in the past, and the rear gate is customized with the louvered cutouts. The pickup has aftermarket wheels. It has a 6-cylinder engine with the 3-speed shifter on the column. The interior appears to be in good shape and original. The asking price is $9,500. The next car is a 1962 Ford Galaxie 500 with an asking price of $4,500. Under the hood is a rebuilt 390 with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The owner states the car runs and drives great. The interior appears to be original and has a bench seat and a column shifter. The original asking price on the for sale sign was $5,500, but the windshield now says $4,500 or best offer. This car is right next to a 1966 GMC custom pickup with the price of $6,500. It came with a V6 and the emblems are still on the side of the hood. The truck has a bench seat with the manual transmission shifter on the floor. The owner states it's driven daily. There's a receiver hitch and a wood bed. The next car is a 1977 Trans Am with an asking price of $8,700. This car was originally black and is wearing the rally rims. It has the 400 cubic inch engine with an automatic transmission. Here's Chevy's answer to the Volkswagen, a 1963 Corvair. This is a 2-door and has the 3-speed manual shifter on the floor. Corvairs came with a flat 6-cylinder engine, which was air-cooled. The base engine had 80 horsepower, and the asking price for this car is $4,900. This is a 1971 Dodge flatbed truck, which has a 318 engine and an asking price of $8,500, or trades are welcome. Here's another Ford Galaxie 500, but this one is a 1963. Under the hood is a 390, which has a new cam, lifters, and push rods. It has a bench seat and an automatic shifter on the column. The asking price is $6,500.
It is a cool car. The aero coupes are super cool. They just don't have the huge trunk.
The owner states it does need a starter, and he's out in the swap meet area right now looking for one. By the way, I have a video of the swap meet here, or more cars for sale. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.